What's up with y'all? It's early in the morning. This is my coffee cup from yesterday. Sat in my room all day because, I don't know, I just got busy. Maddie's going crazy. Kids had chores today. I make sure they have their chores ready. This is Jackson's room. I forgot to show you guys because I'm not done. I have to do his accent wall. I was going to turn this into his accent wall, or this side right here, and then this over here is going to be his reading nook, and then over here I'm going to have shelves with cards all over the walls and stuff like that. That's why I tell you guys I need to get back on the projects, because it's been a year in these kids' room. This bathroom needs cleaning. The kids' rooms are not done. So I come in and I check to make sure they made their bed. I'm getting ready to redo Miss Destiny's room. So that picture right there I showed you guys that we bought, I'm going to put that on the wall. Figure out where to put. She has a lot of stuff. Let me turn the camera around and show you guys all the stuff that I purchased for Destiny's room, so you guys can help me out to figure out what to do with her room. Okay, so this is a little sneak peek in my baby's room. I usually don't bring anyone in their room because I'm just weird like that. But I got these little eyelashes, and they were $4.99. No, these were $4.99, were they? I don't remember how much they were. I got them on clearance. Or was it from the spring shop? I don't know. I think it was last year from the spring shop. I got these. Or this year, I'm not sure. And then I got her these curtains, but I feel like they're too yellow. Let me back up a little bit. And I feel like they're a little too yellow. Of course, it has that farmhouse look to it because of the ruffle. And so it just looks like that. And that's her curtains for her room. And this is what her bed looks like right here. I need to get her a box spring. And then she's gonna have a little seating area right here with books, stuff where she can read. And then I got her this, because I like the rose. I think I might put it in Madison's room, because Madison's, even though they're both going to be rose theme, I feel like this goes more with Maddie's room. And I'm going to show you guys why. I got her this little board because, you know, she's getting ready to enter, you know, preteen, teenage years soon. So, you know, they like to draw things and hang things and whatnot. So I got her this, but I feel like it doesn't really go because of, I just feel like it doesn't go with what I'm going for. I'm going for a really girly theme. Like, that's the inspiration. This is what she picked out. Kind of like nerdy, girly, you know. And then I picked up this because I like the saying. It says, "Be yourself because you are awesome." I like the saying on that. And so I'm thinking of putting the eyes over her bed, because I was gonna move the bed over here, but I don't know. And thinking of putting, if I'm gonna leave this here, I'm gonna put shelving and stuff right here. And yeah, but let me take you guys to the boys' room so you guys can see. This is my boys' room, and I did the board and batten, and then of course put up, because Jordan has autism, so his room has to be very neutral, and you know, so I kept it really neutral and stuff. I have to find storage and stuff, but I'm still working on this room. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm going with for my autistic son. Jason is in here. Hi. Jason picked out this color, so I put it there. And Jason has this twin brother, and he's perfectly fine. He does not have autism or anything. He does have a learning disability, but that's about it. But Jason picked out this corner, so I just added right there as something for him to, you know, it's his room too. So, but everything else I kept kind of like neutral, like the walls. There's nothing on their wall, and then for their decor, I'm going black and white. So I have to hang these. Come on, get out of there. That's not your room. Come on, let's go show them your room. Put it down. Put it back. Thank you. Where's your room? I'm potty training today. Where's your room? That's your room. And then for this little one, this is your room. Her sister redid her room, but I had it this way, where that little thing is. So I'm thinking of switching it back, and then putting like flowers, peonies peeking out the window right here, and doing a gray color for the rest of the walls, and painting this bed white or gray. But I have these. It says, in a field of roses, she's a wildflower. So definitely a rose theme. Rose and princess. So, I don't know. I'm still, because I want it to be perfect, because I'm not changing it no time soon. So it's taken me a year, and I'm thinking of getting the IKEA the IKEA storage system and putting it right here, and then a tall one right here to put all of her stuff. Right now her books and stuff, like this is her books. I just left them there because she can't really reach up here, and she loves to read. So she got a ton of books, and then I have more from passed down from the twins. So I need somewhere to put all of her books and stuff. Even this is from Baby A, and I can't bring myself to put Maddie's picture in it. But yeah. What is that? Okay. Do you want a pee-pee? Do you have to pee-pee? Okay, no. You gonna tell mommy if you gotta go potty? No? But we're potty training today. You're supposed to tell me if you want to potty. No? You don't want to tell me if you want to potty? No? Okay. So I'm hoping to get rid of that right here, because I'm just tired of diapers and, you know, her dresser. I'm thinking of switching out the knobs, but I like the black. But I'm thinking of switching them out. You want to play in your room while mommy go make some coffee? Yes? Okay. I'll be back, okay? So yeah, I have a lot of plans when it comes to their room. And it costs a lot of money to decorate a house. Especially a house of this size. It's 5 bedrooms. 5 whole bedrooms. Okay? And then we have the basement that's unfinished that we have to finish, and that's another, we're putting another bedroom down there, so we'll have 6 bedrooms. Huh? I'm gonna go make some coffee. You coming? So I'm putting another bedroom in the basement because I need a guest room for my mother-in-law when she comes over, and then Rob needs a space for himself. So, and then there's a bathroom down there as well. There's a rough-in for a bathroom down there, so it's going to be 6 bedroom, 3 bath. I think Rob is going to put hey, okay, go. So we have to finish the basement and finish the backyard, because I have to put a patio out there. The deck is already on, but I have to put a patio back there, and then I also have to I'm thinking of putting a play set for Maddie back there. At one point I wanted to put a pool. There's so much I wanted to do, but you know, just have to be realistic, because yeah. Guys, what did I say about your chores before you turn on TV? Like, I shouldn't have to come down here to this. Like, get up. I know you did your chores upstairs. I'm talking about downstairs. Come on. So, I don't know about y'all, but I just don't like my kids sitting around being bums. I like for them to be productive. That way, when they go in the real world, they know how to you know, take care of their own space, whether or not they're married or they're single. I want them to learn to be able to take care of where they live. I don't do it because, hey, I'm a lazy bum and I don't know. I know how to take care of my house, and I much prefer doing it myself. Looks like it's going right. I prefer to do it myself. I prefer to take care of my house myself, but... Oh, I forgot to show y'all Juju. Hi, Jude. Hey, baby. Hey. Hey, baby. Hey, Papa. So I left his beard. Left his little beard. And usually I leave the white on his tail. Usually I leave the white on his tail, but I had them cut it off. Well, she cut it off by accident because I didn't tell her to leave it. But I like him like this. He's so cute. He's cute, Mama. You like him? White dude? White dude? Look at my baby. Did you finish? Good job. Let me check. Let Mommy check.
Oh, she flushed the toilet.
You flushed the toilet already?
That's good, Mommy. That's good.
Okay.
That's good, Mommy.
Okay. Oh, guys, this bathroom needs cleaning. Come on.
This good, Mommy.
The rugs need to go upstairs because I need to wash them. What's that?
Drain out a little bit of water.
You put too much water in it? You can put it back in for another 10 seconds. You finished? Good job. You need to wash your hands, okay? Let me see your hands. Did you wipe? Did you wipe your butt? You should wait for Mama. Come on. Go wash your hands. Good job, okay?
Coffee? All you have to press is beverage.
Okay. That's fine.
Mommy.
Baby. Calm down. Okay. Go. Okay. All right. Sit. Go get your breakfast. Come. You sitting here? You gonna sit here? Come. All right. Get your breakfast. Is it hot? Make sure you blow it. You don't want that?
Jordan's touching me.
Guys, Miss Sungir, respond to comments and on yesterday's video. I forget to take out dinner. I need to go upstairs and take off the stuff from my head. Stop walking around here looking like them other man. But I forgot to take out dinner. Mainly because, guys, you're finished? Alright, then if I close the cabinet then. I hate seeing them open. Even though I do leave them open myself, but I hate walking in the kitchen and the cabinets open. I have chicken foot. Somebody can't eat that. Make chicken noodle soup. Destiny called it hot water with spices. And she hates chicken foot. She called it chicken feet. No, she called it chicken finger. So she hates chicken feet. And they look like this. Destiny called them chicken finger. And she called my soup, my really, really nice soup, she called it hot water with spices. So she was like, Mommy, this is just hot water with spice. American kids will make you feel like crap because they just don't understand. I'm going to take out some drumstick and bake them. To make a bake drumstick because hubby been, and today is the last day for cook dinner because tomorrow is Yo-Yo Friday. Me love Yo-Yo Friday. Yo-Yo Friday means you're on your own. You are on your own. You on your own. Yo-yo Friday, okay? So implement that in your in your home because it works. As a mother, I need a break. I need a break. Don't do it if your man love food, okay? Because it will lick you down for food. So don't do it if your man love food. Man, me can't play with mine. Sometimes I do cook for him. Destiny is so sweet. She already had Maddie's outfit picked out for the day because she usually dress her, comb her hair, and do all that stuff. Definitely think Maddie's a doll, which she is. But I'm my pitney, so if me decide for the day what she want to wear, I that she go wear. And if me decide to make a potty train her, make a potty train her. So sorry, Destiny. Having my coffee. I'm a boss. I don't know, but I'm a boss today. I'll clean up my house and come back. Hey, did you get the eggs?
Me?
It's lunchtime. No, may I have our plate. May I have our plate. Put it in here, so. Put our egg in there. Maddie, I have breakfast for lunch. You're welcome. You want a spoon?
She still has more eggs.
Maddie having bagel with cream cheese and egg for lunch. That's what she wanted.
Still have more.
And I'm having leftover fricasseed chicken. Not fricasseed chicken. I'm having leftover escabeche and my juice. And of course, I'm making a bagel for myself. Because you can't eat fish without bread. Because you get a bone in your throat and you're done. So, but I like a little bit of cream cheese on my bagel. So. Enjoy, okay, mommy? Put on the banana, boy.
What?
Hey, Maddie.
We're going to the movies tomorrow.
What will you eat? You want to sit down? All right, climb up. Where we going tomorrow?
Movies. To the movies.
To the movie. Hey, nobody. This is how we do movies.
Mommy.
Jordan, go sit down. Go sit down. Because you just don't understand when somebody said leave him alone.
I told him, not right now. I don't want to talk about it right now.
Mommy, mine.
Which one is yours, Maddie?
No.
Watch out, she don't want to share a chair. No, she don't want to share a chair.
I want
Maddie, you don't want to share a chair?
No.
You gotta share a chair. No, share. Share.
This is not mine.
No, may I practice she. You need to share.
Okay.
So this is their popcorn for tomorrow. Make us put it in one big bag, and water, and they're gonna go see the Lion King. Our style.
Is it pretty?
Yeah. You guys excited? Go see
Yeah.
the Lion King?
Wait, is it 3D?
I don't know.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
It's Yo-Yo Friday.
I said Yo-Yo Friday. It's Yo-Yo Friday.
Anyway, guys, this is it for this vlog.
Please.
I need to do my hair because I'm gonna wear a twist out tomorrow for the movies. But yeah, I need to go do my hair so I can be popping.
Mommy, oh wait, Mom. Mom.
Rob is making dinner because it's Yo-Yo Friday. We're having potato salad and whatever that is that he's cooking up. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you tomorrow for the movies.
Ow.
Bye guys.